these.
Open it.
Here's Grandma and Grandpa, the third set.
Ooh, look
I'm exhausted.
How many sets are there?
We only have 3.
I know she can't use that. I thought it was really cute. It really is. Yeah. It's a placement. We need one of these sturdy ones.
Yeah.
For this guy.
Here's a bratty baby. Yes, I called her bratty because she has been a brat all day today.
She's being good now.
But now she's being good. And I'm trying to go with the swing, but I can't. There we go. Oh, is that a smile? Let me see a smile.
Only mommy can make her smile.
Okay.
There it is. Almost. Baby, give me a smile.
Mommy, you're the best.
Oh, thank you.
Can you smile for us? She's like, no. Okay, whatever. And I want to walk away and she's going to smile.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, she did.
Auntie Kristen got these for you. I think Mommy might have some shirts in there.
Can you say thank you, Auntie Kristen?
Thank you, Auntie Kristen.
We'll call her on the video phone later.
Okay, this is yours. You gotta open it.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Just take it out.
Whoa, look at that. It's a little box.
That's pretty cool.
It is. I thought it was so cool.
It's for your stuff.
Do this for me.
Look, it's open. It's for Trevor.
You can put your stuff in there then, okay?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's got
And this
handles
is
so
for
you
you
can
too.
carry it.
Okay. There you go. You can open that.
You do this for
You
me.
want Grandpa help, Mom?
Here, we'll put your shirts in there. Okay?
Yeah.
Good idea.
Good idea.
Good idea.
Okay, are you ready?
If you don't like
Yeah,
anything,
first.
sorry.
Wait, you got more stuff.
We're adorable.
You do this for me too.
Ooh, coloring stuff.
Busy.
You,
Thank
you
goodness
do
they're
this
washable.
for me.
Yes.
Sure. Here, let's open this first. This is mess free. Okay. Do you know what mess free means?
Go over here to Mommy.
Not gonna make a mess. Okay.
Oh, that's
Too
cute.
bad she won't be big enough for it.
Yeah. Maybe next year.
I thought it was cute.
No, it's cute.
But you know, I just didn't want to buy a newborn.
No.
Yeah.
Wait, Trevor,
You
here.
know,
Mommy, how long do you want me to record this for? See, told you, being a brat all day.
No, you have to, you can turn it off and turn it back on when good things happen. That way we're not just watching and being bored. What are you doing?
Hanging out with Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Did you go to the park?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Park with Grandpa.
I was a little bit get your polar guns.
Oh yeah? Why don't you talk to her, make her smile. No, don't touch her face. Just talk to her.
Little smile.
Ask her what she's looking at.
You look at the camera.
Where's my smiles? Baby. Talk to her.
Smile.
She thinks her brother's crazy.
Smile.
Yeah, it's time to eat. Don't touch her face. Sasha! She's tired. Trevor, what are you doing?
Count. How many?
3.
Push 3.
I'm playing my game.
Yeah.
This is my favorite game.
Oh. Who are you playing with?
The flower game.
How many?
Who are you playing
1,
with?
2, Grandpa,
Okay.
3, 4, 5.
No, how many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4?
Yeah, that was our 4.
Push 4.
Where?
That one right
wire. We're going up the stairs.
I know, Trevor has a little twang.
These are my feet.
These are my friends.
How many?
SpongeBob's my cousin. Did he tell you that one yet?
No.
Yeah, he's been telling people SpongeBob's his cousin.
5.
Which 5?
Where?
Which one's 5? That's 5.
Right here?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Can opener?
You need a can opener?
Yes, please.
Trevor, are you helping Grandpa?
Uh-huh.
What are you making?
This.
Stuffed watermelon.
Stuffed watermelon.
Yeah. Here you go, Trevor.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mmm.
Smells pretty good.
It can smell it all the way upstairs. Hey, Trevor.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Setting this.
Do you know how to work it?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
Mm-hmm. Turn it like this.
Yeah, but you gotta put it on a can.
You open that one up.
Okay, let me help you put it on. There we go. Gotta squeeze it real good. Oops, hold on, it's not on. Okay, now you can spin it, but it's gonna be real hard.
Turn. This way. Turn. Ah. Wait a minute. Okay, let's see. Move your fingers. There you go. Now turn it. Turn. Turn.
I can do it.
Can you?
Yeah.
Pretty tough.
Keep going. Oh, you
gotta
gotta go the other way. Oops.
Other way.
Of course, that way's easy.
Your grandpa help you.
All
You hold
right.
the can.
All right, good job, Trevor.
Don't let it fall over.
And you like to cook, Trevor?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like watching the cooking on TV too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know you do.
Want to taste?
No, thank you. You gotta cook it first.
Gotta cook it first. Can't eat it right out of the can.
What do you think
Silly.
this is?
I need.
No, don't open that one yet.
Not yet, sweetie.
Not yet.
You're doing great.
I couldn't do it without my little helper here.
You got everything you need?
So far. So far. It's not like being at home, but it'll work.
It's amazing how he knows about like ingredients, like what somebody needs and stuff. It kills me.
He helps me all the time. And he really likes watching the cooking shows.
I mean, you brought over, I forgot what box it was. and
Hi, baby.
You know.
You didn't like that?
A cup of butter.
Nice.
I know, I was just cracking up.
Ready? Here you go. Not wanting to give me any smiles. Not feeling it. Okay. Oh. See, she's like mimicking your faces.
Scare.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
It's that scared look. Hey, Grandpa, that's enough of that. Good thing Grandpa's got long legs, because you've got long little legs too. You're pulling yourself up pretty good.
Yeah, she likes to stand.
Uh-huh.
Dang it, I laid down all day.
That's it. Where you going? Just where do you think you're going, little girl?
You recording?
I just started.
There you go. There you go. All right. You did it.
Give me smiles.
Hey, can I have my smile? Look at me. Can I have my smile? Hey,
She's trying to look around you. She don't want to look at you.
can I have my smile? Where's my smile? Where is it? This little one. Can I have it? Where's my smile? Where is it? Where is it? Come on. There it is.
No.
There it is. Thank you. Oh, it's so beautiful. Thank you.
You'll do anything to go back home. Yeah, you never wanted to come up here with work.
He's happy.
So I'll take you back.